Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss about find element by partial linked text. So I will use the same code in previous lecture. So just I will comment this portion and I can use here where equals driver dot find element by partial linked text. So we can pass the partial link here. So partial link says you can pass, let's say, click here to visit you. I'm not passing completely, I can pass till you. So here I can take from here also. Click here to visit Facebook. I'll copy, edit text. I will not pass completely and I will pass only till FA. I'm not passing completely. So this is a partial link. So let's see how it will work. If I will run this program, it should open the Facebook. Firefox got open now. Perfect. So it's working. So in this way you can work with partial text even if you are not passing from starting as well. If I will pass only FA or UI, this is also partial text. So let's say UI. So it will check for the text. So here I will explain this thing also. First we will get the output. So now I'm able to load ui5cn.com. So I'm able to click on this element. So in this way you can work with partial linked text and it is useful for locating the elements. So in next video we are going to work with find element by tag and we will work with tag. Thanks for watching.